Well, hey, you guys. So part of our creative video on today is going to be a haul. You guessed it, right? So I picked up some things from Michael's, yes, and then we grabbed some things. I got carried away. Grabbed some things from the Dollar Tree. And so you may wonder, because I mean, we always wonder, we see people shopping like, is all they do is shop? But no, I make up random things to purchase that I don't need as it relates to creating jewelry just because I want it, right? So anyway, but I try to stay within a specific budget, and you know, it's $1. So some stuff you just don't get carried away on. But I had an idea of what we're going to be sharing either in today's creative how-to video later on this afternoon, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss a video, right? But one thing I want to do is I talked about this in the last video where I made the fruit jewelry, right, when we were making the lemon wedges and the watermelons. And so we talked about making jewelry using nail polish. So I painted my little nails for the occasion, which I never do, right? Painting nails is like, it's just why. Probably because I did hair and nails for so many years, right, that I just don't miss doing it. But as I was painting my nails, I was like, this would be so cute on jewelry, right? So I got some things to be able to do that. And then I want to do some seashell jewelry. I know we talked about that. And some keychains. So I'm just going to share with you a few things that I picked up from Michael's over the weekend to do the keychains. And I had gotten just a little carried away, but so anyway, so of course I got some more earring hooks because you can never have enough earring hooks, but I was running low on the gold ones, and so there's 60 pieces in here, and that means you can make 30 pairs of earrings. Or you know what I've seen a lot of people doing, shout out to K Unity 77, Khadijah, I know that what she does is she does mix match earrings, which I really like. So like if she had a lipstick set, one was a lipstick and then I forget what the other earring said, but super cool. I've seen where some people wear a stud earring or a post earring and then they wear a long hanging earring. So you know, it just depends on what your design style is and what you're creating, what you can use those for. So the other thing, try not to wipe my eyebrow off, I had an itch on my eyebrow. But anyway, so I got some more jump rings as well, and so these are the split rings that I got in order to make the keychains. I haven't decided what type of keychain bases I'm going to make or create yet, but I have some in mind. So I mentioned that I used to do resin with my kids when they were younger, and that's been so long, but I still have resin left. I still have some mold making supplies left. And so I'm thinking that for the seashell jewelry that we're going to create, that we're going to do it out of resin or either clay, because the seashells are from the actual shore here in North Carolina and they're pretty heavy. So I think that if I try to make a necklace out of those, that it may end up being, you know, too heavy for someone to wear when I could make multiples if I just create a mold. So anyway, we got some supplies to make the keychains. These are actually 24 millimeter split rings, and 28 pieces come in here, so you could actually make 28 keychains. And then these are chain closures, and they're just the really big chains that you can use, so they can actually hook onto a pocketbook or hook onto a purse. And then so I got one pack of the rings, one pack of the split rings, and these are 9 millimeter jump rings, so I got the more chunkier ones. And then I got 2 packs of the split rings, and this was from Michael's. And then I got 2 packs of the chain closures. So you can actually use these for lanyards, you can use these for keychains, and you can use these for necklaces and bracelets. So they don't just have to be for that. So that's pretty cool. So those are kind of only the jewelry making accessories, so to speak, that I got, like the things you have to have to put everything all together. And then these are the items that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're kind of breakable. So yesterday I had to go out. I didn't have to go out. I needed, what was I doing out? We have a curfew. Do y'all have a curfew in y'all's town? But anyway, I had gone out with calling myself going to the grocery store, and I was going to ride my children through our downtown. But our downtown is shut down because of the protests, and now our town is on a curfew because people are tearing up, looting, and trying to burn up stuff. So I had gone out to do that and was late getting to the grocery store. So needless to say, the pickings were slim for what I had to cook for dinner last night, but we still made something yummy, right? So the things I got from the Dollar Tree, as I mentioned, is that I'm going to use nail polish to create some super cute jewelry. I haven't done that before, but I had some ideas in mind of what I wanted to do, and so I got some nail polish, and that's what we're gonna do. So I thought this color was really, really pretty. This is like a peach shimmer color. Look at the shimmer in that. It's really pretty. I thought that would make a really pretty base. This one was my favorite. It stood out to me, and it's like a mustard gold kind of yellow with frost and shimmers. I think that is gonna make a gorgeous earring. This is a One Step Wonder Gel by Wet n Wild, and it's like a really pretty green color. It's called Until Next Time. How cool is that color, right? So let me go back. So the peach color does not have a name. It's number 909. So if you decide you want to go to Dollar Tree and get the same color to paint your nails with, or get the same color in order to make jewelry with, it is number 909. This one is Sassy and Chic, number 906. So really pretty, doesn't have a name, just has a number. And then this is Wet n Wild One Step Wonder Gel nail polish and Until Next Time. So I think that's really pretty. Let me shake it up. I opened it up in the store. I didn't test it. Like, I just think that's a little tacky, but I didn't do that. Not that I wouldn't do it, but I didn't. And look what color it is. Like, how pretty is that? And so I thought that was a really beautiful color. That is going to look really great on some pendants and some earrings that we're going to make. I have this faux turquoise idea in mind, or turquoise, whatever, right? That I have in mind. And then this color was another color that popped out to me, and this is LA Nail Colors Color Craze. And what color is this? It's called Snowy, CNL 391 Snowy, and it is a red glitter polish. Totally love it. And even though I have glitter paints, I don't think I have a red glitter paint. And not only that, the glitter paint would cost way more than $1, right? And so I thought this was really pretty. And I got this because I had the idea to make some strawberry and some cherry earrings. And so I figured that we could make those using the glitter polish. Now we have to shake it up really well, and it might take several coats to get the look that we want, but we could always do a red base. And then, so we could always do a red nail polish base and then use this as the accents for the cherries, right? So what else did I get? So the other things that I got, I had been wanting these little mini glass containers. I thought I had bought 2 of these. I guess I only bought 1. But I had wanted these little mini glass containers to make either earrings out of, or super cute little beachy necklace pendants with like colored sand in them or whatever, like the layered sand you see at the beach. I just thought they were so adorable, and so I got those. There's 6 in a pack, so I can make 1, 2, 3 pairs of earrings, or I can make 6 necklace pendants. So I got those, and these are the mini glass containers with the quart lid. It doesn't have what size they are. When I saw these, I screamed, and you may say, Garlinda, why? So who can think of what I'm going to do with these? Oh my God, Becky. So I thought these little nests were the cutest, and so I noticed that in all of the Dollar Trees, and you've probably already seen this in your Dollar Tree, is they're expanding the craft aisle, and they're making it like this huge section at the Dollar Tree closest to my home. And they're expanding the floral department, and so I think that they've really realized that creatives and bloggers and people are starting to like blow up the Dollar Tree, even though it's been going on, it's been a trend. I can see now that they're expanding this section called Crafter Square. But these are actually by Floral Garden, and they're Floral Garden decorations. But I'm going to make earrings out of these little nests. I'm going to do a hanging earring, and guess what I'm going to put on there? The butterflies, right? Remember the butterflies that have the 2D or 3D wing? And so I'm going to either paint the little bird's nest, but for sure I'm going to put it on a stick pin. I'm going to have it as a hanging ball with some type of base. I'm not sure what type of post base I'm going to put up here yet. And it's going to have the butterflies literally looking like they're swinging from it. So cute. So that's definitely a project that we're going to do. So I got 2 of those because they were only $1. So they come in 4 pieces, so you can make 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of earrings, or you can make 8 pendants, whatever you choose to do. And so then, of course, we needed bases to paint on for the pendants with the nail polish. So I got the proverbial glass beads that, you know, we've seen across the internet. And the reason I got the reason I got green was because the green ones were bigger than the white ones, as you'll see. So the white ones were just, well, they were multi-sizes, but some of these were larger, like that one, and some were smaller. And so, just for sake of uniformity, because even though they're green, we could cover them with white nail polish. I have like a really pretty pearl nail polish. Even Bolt's excited about it, right? And so I could cover it with a pearl and then still do a design and not have to worry about the color of the pendant and have the size that I need. So those are all the really great things that I found. Run to your Dollar Tree. Find all this super cute stuff. And then stay tuned. Our next how-to DIY project is going to be making and creating earrings and jewelry using nail polish. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. It's Garlinda Price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notifications, okay?